how to use Asana on a situation that is about to be really determined by what is going to be here. So what is going on and about it, and that is still to be really determined by, that is about to be really defined by through the situation, through what is going on, through what is going on about it, as you can see about it, through what is really to be defined by it. So what we can do is about to be creating a workspace or join an existing one, create project to organize your tasks, responsibilities. Also, after you log in with your account within Academy courses and you start to verify your email with that kind of the really billing things. So what we see here to assign tasks, due datas, and track progresses, and also status and priority, and also use collaboration tools like comments, attachments, and task dependence. That is all to help you.